Hi, it's Anthony from MDT Customer Support, answering a frequently asked question we get. How do I install the magazine extender on my MDT magazine? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the magazine and we're going to remove the floor plate. To remove the base plate, insert a tool at the half moon shape at the back and push forward. These can be a little bit tight, so you may need to apply a little bit of extra pressure. Once the base plate is removed, you're going to slowly let the spring out. Be careful that you don't send it flying. You're going to take your flange. It has a taper to match the magazine, so we want to make sure that the small end is facing towards the front of the magazine, and we're going to slide that on. Next, we're going to grab our extender and we're going to install that, and it has the same shape as well. So make sure again that the short side is to the front. Now in the package, there is 4 self-tapping screws, which are number 1 Phillips, and you're going to insert them and just tighten them up. And once the extender is installed on your steel body magazine, you'll enjoy an extra 2-round capacity. Thanks for watching.